Hi there, welcome to this video where you'll be learning how to install this Hotjar on your Synamate funnels and websites, right? So why do we need Hotjar? What is Hotjar? So Hotjar is like a tracking software or tracking website kind of thing where if you scroll down, you'll be able to see here where it'll track heat maps, it'll track recordings. You can also ask feedbacks if you have any like this, and then you can also ask service dynamically on your funnels and websites with a simple script, right? So but for now we will focus on only heat maps and recordings because if we install Hotjar on our funnels and also on our websites, then you will be able to figure out from where people are coming, from where people are going. You'll be able to see the whole session recording like this. For example, if you see in this demo that these people are showing us, you can see all the steps that were taken by a customer, right? So this is how powerful it is. It is very important if you want to test out something, and you just want to have a software, or you just want to see what your users are doing on your website. Then this is the best way of doing so. So Hotjar is not only the solution, but it is one of the best solutions out there. Yeah. So what we will do, we'll just sign up for it. So what I will do here is I will click on start free with Google. So it gives me this little pop-up over here, and then I'll just select my email. So once I select my email, I should be able to do this. It says create your Hotjar account. Okay, it asks me what is your company name. I'll just give it as Synamate demo. Next, how many people? You can just select all of these things. And then I would want to use heat maps and also recordings. That's it for now. And then have you used Hotjar before? No, never. And then let's click on next. Done. So it says install Hotjar. Where do you want to install Hotjar? So I want to install it on a website. So I'll just enter my website over here. Whatever your website is, if you are using subdomain in Synamate, you just need to use subdomain, right? So whatever your website is, just do like this and then click on continue and then click on skip. I would want to skip this as well, and then that's it. Great. Once we are in this page, now we need to just pick the tracking code and then put it in our Synamate website or funnel, whatever, right? So here what I'll do, it says install with Google Tag Manager. If you have Google Tag Manager, you can just directly start setup over here. But if you are not using Google Tag Manager, then you can simply click on other ways to install. So I'll click on other ways to install, and if I simply scroll down, it says install Hotjar, and then it'll give me a code for this. So I just need to click on copy this code. I need to go back to my website, go to sites, and I have my website installed over here. So let's go to websites, and then let's click on Synamate website, and then we will go to directly settings. So if you directly go to settings, scroll down, and then you just need to paste it over here. So you just need to paste it under head tracking code. That is what you need to do. So you have all of these things. You just need to come to settings. Same with the funnels, by the way. Even if you go into funnels, if you go inside of funnels, you'll see these four tabs kind of thing. So just click on settings over here, scroll down. In the head tracking code, you just need to paste this Hotjar and then just click on save. Once you click on save, you just need to go back to Hotjar and then click on verify installation. Once you click on verify installation, a pop-up like this will open, and then click on verify installation again. So it will open a new tab, or it might also open a new window kind of thing where it says integration successful. So that's it, and you just sit back and relax, and then you will be able to see the whole recordings, heat maps, and all of those things here from the left hand side of your Hotjar. So if you click on recordings, you'll be able to see all the recordings. If you click on heat maps, you'll be able to see the heat map as well. You can just simply say new heat map, and then URL is, you can just You can just say, you can just give your main domain or something. This is not mandatory, but if you want to generate a heat map on a specific page, kind of landing page kind of thing, then you'll be able to view this after some people coming to your site, they visit, and then you'll be able to see all of these heat maps and also the recordings over here. Hope you'll implement this successfully, or you might have already implemented this successfully by watching this video. If you have any questions regarding this, please reach out to us. Thanks.